At Sapphire Balconies, we pride ourselves on staying ahead of the curve. Smooth balcony transport and coordinated logistics are crucial. We manufacture all of our balconies off-site to ensure fewer hours are spent on a working construction site. Off-site manufacturing avoids the hassle of coordinating multiple site trades and allows your balconies to be delivered quickly when you need them. Our balconies are double-stacked and usually delivered with slings attached at the point of dispatch, so the balconies can be offloaded quickly. Our cast-in anchors are installed with minimal penetrations to the facade, meaning less risk of thermal bridging. Thanks to our unique design of thermal break, we can achieve fewer carbon emissions than a traditional bolt-on alternative. We also provide a wide range of alternatives to the standard cast-in anchor. Solutions for connecting to precast facades, CLT brackets, or even using tie rod or remote locker connections are available on request. Working with our innovative glide-on cassette balconies means we can install faster than the industry standard. Usually our balconies are completed 5 times faster than the industry norm, with an average of 20 balconies finished per day versus the standard 4. Our innovative aluminium balconies are lightweight, versatile in their design, and premium quality. Our cast-in anchors allow a stronger, more rigid balcony than a traditional concrete base. Thanks to the aluminium design, they are aesthetically flexible, meaning your custom design won't come with a luxury price point. Answer your balcony challenges with our balcony solutions.